Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Pa Hitru don reveal some secret about the former Omada wey work for Oba of Benin Palace. He say the former Omada na millionaire. He also do fraud of 20 million naira. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Pa Hitru.
Not showing anybody. Look at it. Very Anchor Construction. That is the bank account. You go and I forward your account. I bet you want to forward your account. Then okay again. Good. The first one is here. The first money was 1.9 million. Right. Look at it down here. 1.9 million. Right. 1.9 million. Look at it here. 1.9 million. The second one was 1.3 million. Right. Now let me go to the issue. Depend on where you are watching me. But in my place here is still morning. It's just 11:44. 16 minutes to 12 noon. Okay. But I want to quickly, I will try my possible best to reduce the way I express issues here, so that I will do it in a way, at least try to be broken down, much more pidgin English. I will try my best, because I do understand that most of my followers are complaining that they don't normally follow me because they cannot catch up with what I say. They put ear down too much before they can know exactly what I talk. For that simple reason, I will try my best to be more simple today. I will try, but it go hard, but I will try. Anyway, let's go back to the issue. I brought out certain information yesterday. I know the whole world was shocked. You see, when somebody give you information, sometimes you don't wrap your voice anyhow. You should know the kind of person that will give you information, that talks things on Facebook, that you start using nonsense right up against that person. If you don't have, if you are doubting that information or you don't believe it, you inbox me. Many people does it. Is it true? How far is true? I explained. Even when I was going to a party yesterday, people were calling me on my way. I was late yesterday. I could look, don't worry, I'll call everybody back. And I did call everybody back. I keep to my words. I explained to them details of what really went wrong. And I told you that I was the first blogger that brought out that special news before the whole world got the news. You see, probably people are looking at me because I've not really started operating on my YouTube or trying to come out with my legal organizations that deals with such issues of passing information out or broadcasting on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook and YouTube. Don't worry. We have some prominent Edo women and men who are willing to support us to raise this fund, because we are planning to open an office in the city here in Ravenna here very soon that will be called the Watchdog House for Colors. Okay, it's going to be Watchdog House for Colors, where all Nigerians can come and seek for help, legal assistance, information, digital assistance, anything you want at all. We are working towards it. We know that when the time comes, we will also ask for your help. This is not 419. Before they call it also, don't start again. One collect money for people want. I don't do it, but I alone cannot furnish or do everything alone. Okay, it can also serve for Nigerians who live in Ravenna here or who live outside Ravenna here for any contact. Once you are part of the group, you don't pay money for lawyer, you don't pay money for any information. You want to pay online on passport, you want to get any information from the embassy, you need any assistance from the embassy, you get those assistance from us. Very soon, because we really want to go nuclear, so that they will start believing us that we're not just playing. Because this time around, we spend money so far in getting informations. We send people out there to get informations, and at the end of the day, we spend our money. Let me use that word, my money, because I'm alone. My money, and at the end of the day, I don't take any benefit from it. Facebook does not give me any money. YouTube does not give me any money. I've been saying it every day. I don't collect money. People use my video to make money. Okay, I'm not against them. Okay, but when the time comes, if they want to collaborate with me, no problem. If they don't want to collaborate with me, then we go ahead the way it's supposed to be. Very soon we'll go there. So I brought out that news yesterday that Roland Ehoe is being declared wanted by the EFCC, that the palace has officially let the EFCC know that it's not in their custody. It's not in their custody. that is not in the premises of the palace. I said so. And most people, some people who never know what to say, were all ranking mates. But people who knew Roland very well, who Roland has dealt with, they called me personally. Issues Roland has dealt with that has changed because of money. I will say some of them today. One, even a great story concerning our late Pa JBS, how the property was shared, how the matter was taken to the palace, how Roland blocked the issue, how they gave things to the person, not the rightful person. The senior son is there laughing. He did not send me, but we gather information. We gather information. We get it to you. If you said I'm lying, let the people that I talk about, let them give me paper to court. I say, look, false allegation, impersonation of, how do they call it? Impersonation of character. How do they use that language in English language? Yes, that's how they call it, No. Assassination of character, sorry. Assassination of character. You sue me for it. I did not carry gun here, but they call it assassination of character in English language. If I say things against you that you fear that it's not real, most of my relatives, they are surprised because I am a different man from my mother's family, from my father's family. A different man totally. Nobody like me in my family. Nobody does things like me in my family. Nobody look like me even. I've only had one uncle that I look like, which is late now. Anyway, let us not go there. The way I do things is away from everybody's own. My destiny is not your own. If I do things, I do with carefulness. I might be talking, but if I talk, I know I'm not going anywhere to say I'm sorry. I took responsibility and I will take responsibility of whatever I say here in Facebook here. Okay? Good. So, when I brought that news out yesterday, I had some people wrote a lot of stupid messages on my wall. I'm on live now, please, so I don't want to be distracted with messages. I cannot be able to answer messages. There's one boy, I will call him a boy, a man, a woman. He doesn't put his picture. They are all fake accounts. And I will get to know you through Bush Lion. I will call Bush Lion and let him know whether he knows you very well. Because he wrote stupid thing in my wall. Then I told him, I'm coming for you later. You called me jobless. He said I'm a jobless man, that I'm making video in one corner, one bedroom corner that I'm living. You don't even understand what it means to be living in Italy. I'll be telling you, if you live in Italy, let me if you live in Italy here. Then you come and visit me, I come and visit you. Let's weigh ourselves. Let's just, from the apartment, let's weigh ourselves. Then they will go to keys. You see my key, you see your own. Then you now come to me. You just come to me personally, enter my wardrobe and see. If 4 of my shirts cannot buy your car that you're riding, it's no joke. You think they put on Labor Day and Jimona, they carry for Napoli, they put for Pakistan, listen. He called himself, what is his fake name he used here? He called himself Okuta Edowan Nimose. Edowan Nimose, they call it. You should know that it's a fake account, you understand? He wrote me that, you mumun, now you be you as shameless and senseless idiot. I have seen Igbeho Abi, I don't know how he wrote this spelling here. Okay. He even told me that I will sleep, I will not wake up. And I'm telling you guys today now, Okuta they call him, if he's too bold, let him bring his picture. And let's see 2 of us who will last 90 days. It is no joke. I don't go to Jasmine. I don't call I don't call any pastor for anything. Good morning, my sister Felicia. You see, I don't call anybody to do anything for me. But if you bring your face to me, I give you 90 days. And let's see who will sleep, who will not wake up. Then if I tell you my challenges that I've seen in this city that I'm living here today, you know how many I've done for this city here? People came, they tried to break me down, they ran away. Okay? I don't want to. You are here, my brother. So when you start replying me, I'll just laugh at you. Even when Naija Wash called me yesterday, I was rushing out to the party. I told Naija Wash, look, I confirm every statement you hear in my video there is confirmed. Now, not watching the movie yesterday. Then today, I brought out the passport. Am I in Benin? So you should possibly understand the level of investigation, level of fact finding we do. How did I get the picture of the passport? You saw it there. You know why I did not post his children's picture there? I have a children's passport for information. I just want to flash it. I will not show it there because here I have the picture. Let me show you. I want to flash it. Okay. I just want to flash it to you. You will now understand that I'm not just a blogger. See, this is the daughter. Abi, I just want to show you. This is the second, this is his first song. Look at it. Okay. I did not place them there. This is the other one. Look at it. Look at it. I did not bring them out in my war. Because that's the reason why I didn't bring his sons, the daughter out. How can a man be loyal to the palace, using his palace name to commit a sacral in our land? Now let's go back to the issue. A friend of mine, he's a friend of mine. I know him through a friend of mine in Italy here. A Roland Ekoy S. Omada duped him of 20 million. Why is that 20 million? Even when the euro is high now in Nigeria, to get 20 million, 2,000 euro, 2,000, almost 2,000 euro, let's say 1,000, 7,000, can give you 1 million. Who do calculate 2,000 in okay to me 20 million honorable winner. I know this man is a bus driver in Germany. Okay, I don't want to mention his name. Okay, I even told you he has already called into a program before, so I don't want to. He's my personal person, my best friend here, Jemo, here, who is now in Nottingham in England. Was the one I introduced me to him. They grew up together in Nigeria. He drove from Germany to this place here twice to visit us. The last one he came, I entertained him when he came when my friend was at work. You understand? So he duped this man of 20 million. So this is an official message I'm going to give to everybody in Facebook now. If you know, I've said it before, if you know that any case Roland was involved, settling of land disputes, house, properties, cases that you brought to the palace, that Roland participated on that issue, and you want that you knew that you were right, that the case was torn because of bribing and corruption that took place at that time. Inbox me your official name and your telephone number if you cannot come out online to talk with me. Okay? If you cannot come online to talk with me, inbox me. I also have a lady here who served as even a slave, let me use that word, in the palace for years before she went to abroad. And she's willing to talk to us. These are our powerful people who want to stay with. This lady too, you will hear her voice very soon too. In this program, as I'm here with you. Okay. We also want to let you know that every activities that take place during this period is going to be revealed because we must say something. No sound. What is happening? Are you not hearing me? Hello? Excuse me. People, please, if you are not hearing me, this man said, it's no sound. Are we sure? Hold on, no. Please answer me. There's no sound, please. If there's no sound, answer me, please, fast. So that I will not the waste time. I better go. If there's no sound, answer me, please. Hello? And he said we are hearing now. So adjust yourself, please. Perfect. God bless you. God bless you. If there's no sound, check your telephone, please. Okay. So, what am I trying to say? We even gathered information. There are even the a gay practice was even done in that place there. We need thorough cleansing of our great house because almost the matter has gone so spread. Yesterday, I didn't want to let you know that man has been driven totally from the palace, suspended, and people are telling me, don't watch your dirty clothes inside the house. I don't like using 50 words against anybody, but please mind your statement when you talk. These are not secrets. These are things we need to do. This man that he duped 20 million, he said he's going to sell borrow pit for him. Negotiation went as far as he said 30 million. Well, I'm 30 years. What would I be away is 31 years of age. Beg young one. No, he can low me. Ige. When I told you I don't have any issues with you. You better stay clear. Stay clear. The backness, even we are backing another from time, stay clear. Stay clear. Stay clear. Because you got about when you were saga, I'm not into saga, but stay clear from defending criminals. I know it's your business partner. No, he damn say, well, the one that pay me most. Pay me most. Let me give you evidence. Proofs. Hold on. This man registered a company which the palace was also giving contract to. What I mean is, palace are here with them contract in the company under the house. Anchor construction company. Oh, we're on a company where you find out. EFCC, you hear this now, they should go and investigate. He is the owner of that company. Also charged the palace. The palace, all the contract. This is conflict of interest. It's a crime in the Nigerian law. Somebody is telling me where he's not a politician. He got a politician. He got a himself during his governor. Or must he go away? Just hold on. Hold on. Because any person only reveal it because there are issues you don't reveal it. There are technical issues that you don't reveal this place here. Okay. All the transaction he did with people. Hold on. Let me bring it out. Okay. Oh God. I don't want to show people's face on this thing. Okay. Let me send it to my daughter's place, then I will bring it up. I don't want to bring people's, as I said, I don't want to bring people's this thing out. Okay. It's not showing anybody. Look at it. Very Anchor Construction. That is the bank account. You go and I forward your account. Or you want to forward your account. Then okay again. Good. The first one is here. The first money was 1.9 million. Hey, look at it down here. 1.9 million. Hey, 1.9 million. Look at it here. 1.9 million. The second one was 1.3 million. Hey, 1.3 million. Sorry, 1.1. 1.1. I don't lie. The third one was, I don't know. Sorry, 4 million. 4.2 million. You're gonna ask me here counting again. The other one is 10 million. Right? 10 million. Look at it. Please invite your friends. This is fraud. Fraud. Anchor Construction Company. When you're here, let it come and meet me. Okay. He can't wait to where no worry obo there about he went as far and did what he did to have triplets. Or attack, man. You want what? Or be here. Why did he hide his or is somebody born for Benin? Not be when our God sent King born. Did he not write an official letter out? And now see, he called the palace and announced it to everybody, and we all congratulated with him on May. Another secret again. Omada, sorry, why me down? Omada, this very bastard, he is an orphanage. Orphan. Up there, but where? Anywhere. Mariela Dana, where worry? Mazaza, where you are not from a Ezomo family. Wabo gita when he hears more like a benobia beso money are latin. I can nobody, but what matter? Yana quick bo. Yana you go yarje, yana moyari wizomo, wizomo. This man is not in any way from a royal family, from that chief family. Eriari duzas I do. Huh? And there are some permanent chief characters inquiring why I said in Nigeria, why I stop talking about please, I appeal to you once again. Because sometimes this guy almost misleaded you too from the beginning. We know that we even gathered he was more powerful almost more powerful than you in the palace. Boy, phone. Can you realize? Cavity was in the baby tear, they phone on it, or definitely your name cannot trace it, because we will trace you. We don't mind how much we pay to people in Thailand to trace where you are. In Nigeria, I have good tracking. Hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Quickly. Down the phone. Hold on. I wear me. Who de Zuzu? Who de Zuzu? Phone no buy like now. Atina there. I wear there. Phone no buy like now. International Pabi, Nigeria. I don't know. Just wait. Egg1 or one letter will MTN number. Just listen, please. Hold on. Hey. It's there. Look at it. Calling. It's not ringing. But later, before that, I will MTN. The MTN number you are calling. Okay, Oyone. I be number Oyone. Yes. Oyone. I be no be born me. I call ban. I always me now. It's not been here. Maybe no, you have to wait on here. Or wait change. Of here. You see it? You know, nobody know. Because I've been trying it since yesterday. Nobody know, because my call on my way throughout it. Let me see if this is I called the real number. Yeah, you know now. This is the number I called this morning. Yes. It was sent to me from Benin. Medicators, we pay money for information. And then we get it. Everyone had information with money. We are told, you know. So let us go to the issue. Veniagi duza se guani. I will call somebody in Nigeria now and you will hear from him. From Nigeria. As only since 2 years plus I came here. You're not very Roland. I'm not get not going any. But avec one na what you no you ku JBS na we not you. Be am what over here we ke London re no ko. No the way I see office JBS or no re is a play road. Because I know what to do. If you have JBS they packed all and equip themselves. They were all those who have the money and they bribe. Oh, I'm exalted. Even boom. I don't know whether my brother want to speak with me. Let me just call one of my brother first. What am I call on? Can call JBS me? He can call on Brisha. There are many people need day or hold on. I don't know whether my brother want to speak to us. Hold on, just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Sister Sophia, I worry at you when I later. Hold on. Let me just see. If my brother want to speak to us, I'll be so grateful. I'll be so grateful. You know. 2 minutes, please. I just want to bring out my friends, my brother's number, so that we can chat. We spoke today, this morning. I guess so. Okay. Yes. Let me call him. Even though you don't want to mention his name, anything at all. Let me call him. So you hear. He can know any. Don't accept to talk. Please be patient with me. Yeah, Domosa. I'm on live, but I'm not putting you on speaker. I just want to listen to you first. If you are willing to explain to us what really happened, because we are compiling names of those who suffered from this people's hand in Benin. So if you want to speak with us, can you speak to us, Sam? I know, John, what the ordeal you experience. Okay. Yeah. That's what I'm saying now. It's an ordeal. So tell us what happened. Okay. Thank you very much. Before I put you on speaker, let me introduce you to them because most people don't know you. Do you want me to do that? Okay. My brother and my elder brother is online now. Is the founder, the convener of Consigned Nigeria. It's a platform that just look like the Cinque Stelle before, the Sardine in Italy here. Is a force that is fighting for human rights, especially the Nigerians in this place. And he's an employee of the TGL in Pescara. His name is Dr. Gobadia. Thank you, sir. Please, sir, explain to the house what happened.
Very much. I would not want to waste too much of your time.
God bless you.
Listener.
Yeah.
God bless to you and all the listeners to my case. I'm so very delighted, happy to put me on your platform to talk to so many listeners across the globe. And thank you for you people what you are doing for Edo, for the voiceless, most especially these land grabbers.
Yes.
Let me just do a summary of my problem. I was to come to Nigeria knowing our Oba Atokbe years when he was our ambassador. He told us, well, those people try to go back home and make Edo great again, develop. Yeah. With what he said, I went to invest in a village called Oba Zagbon.
Yes.
10 years ago.
10 years?
My position 10 years ago.
Okay, sir.
With my cousin, we had an acre of about, let me call it about 10 acres together. What we wanted to do, I wanted to come with some expertise, Italians too, to develop that country, that city, that village, and we want to do something personally there in that place. Farming, build schools, and develop the city. Unfortunately, that time was so peaceful with one of the chairman there.
Yeah.
Then after some years, it was surveyed, the land was surveyed. After some 3 years or 4 years, a group of irrelevant people just came and toppled the city, killed, gone and what you call. The city there, the village there was now overthrown by one called Edo. What is it? Edo, I don't know his name again.
Okay. Joshua Edo. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It took, confiscated all the land. Nobody can go. Killing. I cannot risk my family's life to go there because I've already planted palm trees in these acres.
Yes.
But after that, I'm a summary. I called some people over there to please. Then, when the guy, he drove that peaceful man, we called Sylvester.
Yeah.
Drove him away. He took the land. He drove the father. He drew everything. I was looking at everything there. Fire, kill you over there. This is a summary.
Yeah.
After 5 years, I had to go home. I called the former chairman. He said their case was still in the palace because of what was happening. It's a summary. I went home. I called the chairman. I said, man, what is happening? Are they going to restore you the peace in that place? What was I said, no, they are not talking. I said, are you talking about the land? Something said no. I said, what? And now what I got, that time there was already this PPA. Yeah. They already established it. The Oba was already talking about it. I said, oh, thank God. When I went home, I said, okay, let me see what I can do peacefully. Yep. I went home, I was in the palace over there to lodge my case.
Okay.
Somebody of my family, yes, to lodge the case about this land. Yeah. Somebody from the palace, one of the people coming around, I said, what are you doing here, my brother? He said, look at what he said, go and meet Owerri now. It's from side of the mother is from side of your mother's side.
Roland.
Go and talk to him. Yeah. Roland, yes, go and talk to him. I went there, 2 per 2. He's a gentleman. Yeah. He listened to me. I complained to him. Said no problem. In my place, he was calling this guy. I don't know. He was calling somebody. He said, look, I heard you took the land of my somebody. Please, he told him, give back the land to this man. Whoever you have given this land to, go and relocate with that person. I was almost becoming the chief as I was going there. Almost becoming the chief.
Yeah.
As I was going there. Then they said, no, they are going to relocate me, take my lawyer. I told them, wait. And then that peaceful chairman said, my brother, please, your land is genuine because it was surveyed, every genuine. Don't leave that place. If you go to another place, you are going to miss. I say, I'm not leaving there. That is my place. When I met them, they were saying, I'll go to the village. I went to meet this Joshua Edo. I said, Joshua Edo, one slim guy. He insulted everybody. I met him. I said, man, look. I'm a gentleman. I said, if I go and talk to our Royal Majesty, he knows me, why I'm coming here. I told him the job I do. I suffer for this land. Whatever I do for people to have their state permit, I don't take money, I help people. Please, that is my land. He said, no, I don't care. He was talking rubbish thing, talking, no. I reported again to Obuo. And we said, what happened? And I went again. Fortunately, we have to go and take again my survey to relocate my land again, to establish my land for me again, to see how it is. It was there and I discovered they booted away all my pantries and that land was sold to another person. I said, what the meaning? That's not everything. What I did, it was some way for me to leave. I went away. They said, look, what is happening? I said, I need my land again. There was no response. Then I now deposited my file in the Oba Palace. And I went to PPA. I done my case in the Oba Palace there, in that good, and I deposited another one in the PPA. Thank God. I was the first to have a verdict in that PPA. And said, declare this boy, Joshua Edo, wanted. The father was arrested. The man close was arrested. This man was not to be found. The police are so corrupt too. Fighting, they gave me a verdict. Go and take your land again.
Just in a summary, sir. Till now, have you been able to claim your land now?
No.
Okay.
I went again now just beginning of this year. I told I want peace. I don't want to fight. I was to go to First Brigade, police, soldier. I said I don't want, because I know people. I said I don't want a peaceful man. I need peace for peace, not war for peace. I don't want. Then, summary, I told my family, let us go and meet the community, because where you are going to do it, there's no need to have to make fight with them. I went there, we sat down, they say yes. We recognize that you are the owner of this land. Those people who showed with me, they are the people in this group. We contacted the Joshua, he insulted everybody, this and that, and then we went to the father, we talked to them, they said, don't worry, they are still doing
Okay, sir, please, because I have other callers I will call you. I just want to let you know now, that same document you deposited in the palace before,
No, it was a petition.
No, I know that petition. That's what I'm saying. That petition, you still have the copy?
I think I have to call my family. I think they should.
Okay, if you have the copy, sir. Yes. You know my email. We'll be talking for a long time, so you know my email. Email it to me. I will get back to you. I will forward it to you.
If the copy of that palace, because since the PPA are taking my case up, let me forget about that. My case in the PPA, I have a verdict for that.
I understand. I do understand. That's what we are saying. And this bribing, it is bribing and corruption. It is what makes them, because the land that was owed at 10 acres, when I hear them, 1 acre and 1,000 by 1,000, understand me, 10 acres. So they share them. The reason why you not put weight on that matter, let me want to tell you so now. Policeman, if he sees your brother come off your office, can't get case, you know, if you collect bribe directly, he go send he fellow policeman, make it collect the bribe for your hand. Now it happen. What they do is that when all those chairmen that were overthrowing in the door, he was the one behind or putting his people in all those land. They give him part of the land for the ocean. No village in no get land for Benin there. So I will get back to you on this issue. because we be directed
God bless you.
to tell everybody who has those cases before should come on board. The fastest way to get justice is through the palace. Believe me honestly, on land issues, not through police. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Okay.
God bless you.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. Yeah. So my sister in pressure. You hear that? So that who is this man who was telling me? Itro, are you listening? Itro, are you listening? What do you mean by that statement? Tell me what you mean by that statement. I'm listening. I know him. This one is somebody who work in CGA, who fight for our rights in Italy here. He's been living here for the past 30-something years. He's a doctor. Okay, not medical doctor on his feet. Okay, and we belong to the same group. I did not just personally, because he reported the case to me some times ago. But now I felt it's necessary for him to speak to us. That is why he's here with us today. So I'm listening. I put him online. You are asking me if I'm listening. Anyway, I told you I don't like using filthy words against people. Maybe you don't understand English language. That's what you mean. I've already heard the story before. I'm only using to portray to let you know that if they did not dupe you directly, they will dupe you indirectly. Okay? Our sister too would like to speak to us before I call my friend in Nigeria. Hold on. I was also telling you just now that how can a man walking under the palace, and this is somebody they took as slave, or vient, how do you ever do? You become a millionaire in one. Is the only Omada I've seen as a millionaire in Nigeria. I've not seen any other one. He may not know the Guani. Before he answered on the Ogone, I don't go near, I Gualua, Abo, Kremia, I go near Sueki, or I go near Asu, near Mugbo, or I'm going to marry a local government. If I win, I get it free. All of looking employee, you know, have a construction company. Yeah, Dover, all of them make contract in every palace. Tanto your river. I don't know when I wow, I call construction. Every morning, I'm on there. I feel go job. You go me or Guyan. Yeah, you do you walk out in a cacabo. Yeah, we all the go your poo. How much of Guy or jump, all the go your poo. Huh? You people are telling us to keep quiet on all this nonsense that is going on. Thank God, I play a major role on land grabbers. I mean, if you don't know, I'm an executive member of Land Grabbers. That is consigned group we form on WhatsApp. You see, the battle we'll be doing for a very long time, and I always tell everybody, don't be ashamed. Before I call my sister, let me quickly let's see this platform. You will know. Echo. Let me come here. Look at it. Land Grabbers Esco. The remade this thing. The remade name that you all know with it. I want to show it to you now. Hold on. The main name is, look at it, Concerned Citizen of Edo State. I am an executive, not just a member. Because this concerned people of Edo State has a platform. Hold on. Look at it. This is the platform. This is where everybody belongs to. The other land grabber is for the ESCO. Okay? I and Ramato play a very key role in diaspora here. And I'm willing to do anything to bring in more people who will help us to raise funds to be able to fight and bring them to their last level. When I saw my sister Blessing Ago, when he heard the story yesterday, he better my sister Blessing. Who was surprised at me? I not tell me so where old man sit down, they see far. Small people go there for 6-story building. Okay. I went to walk around when I saw it. No one will go. Oh, we can hear either Baba ko agbo kian ogbo kian akotara ise agbo me ko do kun o kan kan agiwe emi ete we feel away now. So let me go on the issue. That this thing when they do for her, when they take removal for my dad, when they go do for his own house, I'm saying today that it was a boo. Or Mother Roland or more, but it's not from Ezomo's family. Anybody from Ezomo's family who tells me saying that if Papa and I born him, make it carry me go court of impersonation of character. Assassination of character, sorry. Let me call my sister if she's willing to talk to us. Hold on. Because me, I don't want to mention her name. If she allowed me, I will mention her name later. But first of all, let me call her. Because I do things, I use diplomacy when I'm doing anything. a diplomatic person I be. Okay. My sister, let me bring your name out. I registered just on echo. Good. Let me call her if she will carry my phone because she's a busy woman, she's a mother, and she has participated in a lot of issues concerning the Edos in Benin before. Okay. I will not put it on live first. I will have to speak with her first. She will carry my phone. Maybe they are eating brown now. If I did not hear from her, I will give her a voice message. Okay, maybe they are eating. My big sister, please, if you hear my voice message, this is Pahitro. I'm on live right now. If you'd like to share with us what you said you want to share with us, I believe you are on the table eating now because you are in France, I guess so, eating your meal in the afternoon, right? Okay. So when you are through, just call on me live. If you want to discuss with the house, and let us hear your all deed too. She even told me, anyway, call me please, my sister. This lady even told me when she couldn't get justice from the palace because of this Owuri, she went to the Awe Mountain and swear that I'm quoting her now, if I did not serve my king, if I did not serve my kingdom, she served inside the palace. This is the first time I knew that it was not only men are mother. That is those who are slaves inside the palace, or who are servants inside. There are women, girls too, that are working inside the palace there as maids in that place. She was one of them. But thank God, the Lord has answered her prayer. She came to Europe and married a decent Italian person who is very okay. And today she can give to people, not only for her family now. She can extend her hand. She has a long hand to extend to everybody. I'm not saying that. I don't even know her. She was among those who called me yesterday when I was going to my party yesterday. I said, look, my sister, I will get back to you. And I really do. I call her. She now told me, brother, don't worry. This morning I'll call you. She woke me up this morning. Because I came home very late this morning. I wanted to put my head and just call. I said, look, let me come at 11 o'clock. I almost forgot. You understand? So now let's go to our brother. Who is this? Let's go to our brother. Who is who I told you I will contact. Hold on. You know, say Nigeria, I told him to buy data, so should buy data. I'm not data all over. Let me see. This man not the license. You know the license. If you know the license, I'll call him. Man, don't worry, I'll call him. This one about JBS issue when they property when they divide. How they would use they do everything. When I hold on, you know, they line. Maybe you not see that as by the come. I want to call her direct because he was introduced to me by my close friend who lives in Italy before, who is now based in Nigeria now. I don't want to mention him too because I told you if I not permitted him to mention, I won't mention him. Just 2 minutes, and I don't want to involve any big names here on this issue. But I know what I'm saying. I don't lie. One boy give me one name just now. He said, "I'll be an ambassador of social media." We so give away. My work I'll be fighting political issues and traditional issues. That's what I will be doing. I'm calling now. So let's see what I will pick for. I'll tell him to call me on WhatsApp. Call me on WhatsApp. My brother, I'm alive. I told you to call me on WhatsApp. You did not on your data. Do you want to speak to me now? Hello. Me life in any. I'm take you a WhatsApp. In about man, you walk me with WhatsApp, abi? We know. Okay, call me on WhatsApp, please. So, when in Nigeria, they normally off their data. There are no kind of contract where Buhari allowed all these people to use us. See, this is my phone. People will call me from Nigeria say, they see me for life, they call me, I don't carry phone. My phone, for 10 years, I've never left. My data is always on. Efo, Ezenovo, car. Once you do your contract, how much is this? Hold on. Nigeria, they are siphoning our citizens. They allow foreigners to come and open internet issues there in Nigeria there and kill us with wrong information, kill us with wrong contract. Hey, 6.50 cents, 30 gigabytes in a month, unlimited calls to the whole Italy. Yeah. Then the other second card, I can call Nigeria with it just about less than 9 cents to call Nigeria. Then I can call the almost about 64 countries in the in developed society that is free of charge. Europe, Germany, everywhere is free. London, everywhere is free. And Italy here, forgetting it, all free. €6.50. So let's see if this man will come online now. Please share this video because I'm coming. I want to tell you if anybody if you boy you do, I very who marry Jenny where ni forget any man. He can't have when I know what I do more creating even. Man, in my time before I get old, I was swing you one way. He threw how he had big family. Don't go to that area. I want to make my own name. I don't want to start looking at my father's name. Okay, Kekabo, hold on. Assistant, I call even just 2 minutes. How can somebody open a company with his name when it's under the palace? Why everybody never gonna take me there? Only get ta. And you got one here. We call it Savannah direct. People might only call here. Let me call her direct. Call the phone you, but I'm sure they are in the table. They are in the dining table. Boy, now coffee where no problem. I'm gonna call, no problem. Hold on, because a problem, I'm only helping. Nobody pays me for it. Okay, many can't you know, equal it of anybody. But when times come when I need help, I will still let everybody know. Because I said we are going to open a center. Call in it. What we told you about it? At the table. Okay. Oh no, hold on. Maybe let me see. Let me use this to call. Let me see. Because if nobody can call on our court, please bear with us. If she carry phone, then we'll talk, or she'll call me back later by herself. She narrated our ordeal, saying go to even see the matter. Everyone, okay, he's back. Okay. This one about the matter of issue concerning JBS, late JBS. Okay, Mona, listen. The Calago Palace is 2 years, 6 months. You know, no matter come up because of bribing. Where are learning you are? Hello, my brother.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Go to a quiet place. Koyo.
No, sir.
Okay, please. We are all fine. Now, you spoke to me today through my friend. I don't want to mention names, except you want to do it by yourself. I don't want to mention it, okay? Issue concerning our late father, JBS. How they treated your friend. You understand? So, please, and how the matter went to the palace. How they disturbed the matter for 2 years, 6 months now. The matter was not looked into. Please, greet the house and narrate your story. Thank you.
Okay, greetings to the house. My name is Osaze.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I used to work with Larry.
Okay.
Efosa, first son of JBS.
Okay.
Okay, and he died in 2012.
I know, yeah.
Before he died, he already buried their father, who was JBS. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Go ahead. Yeah, very loud.
Yes, before he died, he already buried JBS, who was the as the first son.
Yeah.
He already buried JBS with the Warrior families.
Yes.
So after all said and done, after the burial, something came up and the younger brother, Uyi Bazwaye, went ahead to get another family who is Bazwaye family to come and share for them. And their elder brother Larry Bazwaye did not bury with Bazwaye family as the first son. And nobody challenged it when he was doing the burial and while he was alive.
Yeah.
So after he died now.
No, just 2 minutes, please. That junior brother that went to go and bring Bazwaye, did he attend the burial of his father when his the late brother did the burial?
Yes, they were all there. They were all present.
God bless
without
you.
opposition. They did not quarrel. They did not counter. They did not.
Go ahead.
So after the buried their father now. After some time, he died too.
Okay.
And they have not shared the property.
Property, yes.
But he already has been in charge of the father's mansion and the
Yeah.
on Sapele Road.
Yeah.
But ever since then, the people that they went to go and bring now to come and share, that they said the palace gave authority for these people that did not bury JBS to come and share for JBS. Which everybody let go. Nobody was interested in arguing with the palace. Then, after all said and done, the person was supposed to inherit what belongs to his father.
Definitely, because his father died, the grandfather died before the father died. By tradition,
Yes,
that is correct.
buried-
Yes.
So because he already buried the father,
Yeah.
based on tradition and custom demand, what was supposed to get to him was supposed to get to his son.
Automatically.
As we speak right now, if I want them to call the whole family and ask them what has been going on with that man's first son, because he's American and the mother is not from Nigeria, there is nothing on earth that has not been done to that boy. And they keep going to castigate him that he's into cocaine, he's doing drugs, all lies, just because they are trying to rob what belongs to him from him.
Okay.
So, as of December last year, the boy sold one of the properties. Since the father died,
Yeah.
he has not been able to take care of himself because all the father's brothers and sisters neglected him
Yeah.
because they were trying to take what belongs to his father.
Yeah.
So, as of January, when he finally agreed to what the other people that came, that they brought to come and share for them, he agreed and took what they gave to him. But from nowhere, these people went ahead as going back to bring his father's wife. His father's girlfriend, not wife.
Yeah.
She was not married. She only had a child for the father.
Yeah.
As we speak right now, the only property that is remaining with that boy, they are trying to collect it from him through the father's girlfriend that has a son for the father. After they already gave the boy property before now.
Okay. Was the case
The honest
reported?
truth is the boy is...
Was the case reported?
Sir?
Was the case reported to the Traditional Council?
We summoned the Okagbes that did this sharing to Ekonore. From Ekonore sent for the Okagbe because he has some sort of backing, which we don't understand. They summoned him at Ekonore. The Okagbe and his associate refused to show up at Ekonore to come and clear their path.
Yeah.
If what they have done is right or wrong. Ekonore now went ahead and said, since the guy refused to come and the Okagbe refused to come and answer them, which has never been done before in Benin, because if you call anybody at that place, they must come and respond.
Yeah.
Ekonore, the leader of Ekonore therefore told my friend and I, we should exercise patience that he has particularly gone to report this matter to the palace of the Oba Benin by himself.
Okay.
So, we have been waiting since that time, since we made this report Ekonore, and Ekonore summoned them and said they refused to come, that he has gone to lay the complaint at the palace of the Oba Benin. We should wait tomorrow, we should wait next tomorrow, we will come and discuss it. That is where we are right now. The Okagbe seems untouchable. His name is Panezena. He's a Benin chief.
You have his
He
number?
seems untouchable. Nobody has been able to ask him, why did you do this? Why did you do that? Why are you doing this? A property that was shared over 7 years ago. You are coming to be shared it after 7 years.
Okay.
Nobody seems to ask them questions. Anywhere we go to, because they are influenced, the case goes down. Nobody will talk about it anymore. We have been waiting for them to call us in the palace now. Since that man went there to report himself, the leader of Ekonore, and Chifi Ama is involved too. We keep
Please.
calling them every day. Till today, no response.
Please, I want to give you something. I want to give you one information. If you have access to the Ekonore number, pass it to me on my WhatsApp. Then, if you have access,
I will forward it to
yes,
I will
access
forward the Chifi Ama.
the access number 2 to me. You forward it to me and write his name on it. I'm not in any way to insult any traditional ruler or chief or anybody. We want to have a fact finding. You know why? We want to confirm if the case is in the palace or not. If the case is not in the palace, then I will directly put you online with his son, the real person, because I know he's not going to speak on air. Then I will put him online with me and you. Then he give me the more lowdown. That is, I want to hear from the horse's mouth directly. I know you are not lying, but it's very good for evidence sake. Okay. Then I will get back to you guys immediately to see First, if the case is in the palace. If it's not in the palace, then we will forward it. Okay?
All right, sir.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
All right.
Sir. God bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you know why I brought this matter out? Because when I hear the story just now, normally in Benin tradition, those of you who are old here, or even who are not old, who believe in tradition, the only way I know of issues like this are happening in Uselu. How many of us know Uselu Motor Park opposite Egwedaken, not Eguyoba, Egwedaken, before Uselu Market? Opposite that place, there was a house behind it there. I'm just sharing this with you. That man that owns that house there, but I've forgotten his surname. They used to repair wristwatch in that house there. Uselu Motor Park, not Good Samaritan side or the other side of it. Okay. Those of you who have covered something with Uselu, you know what I'm talking about. That man was a very tall old man. I remember those days when in Nigeria, I used to date one of it. I forgot the name too, but it's talking about 30 years above ago. So, the first son of this Edion, in the second street back of the house, I think the man was a barrister at that time, I remember, was a lawyer. He was a lawyer. He schooled in UK and is relocated to Nigeria with his family. But later, the family that saw the future of Nigeria was not bright. They relocated back to UK again and left the man alone. The man refused to go back to UK. He was based in Nigeria. So I remember they brought one of his son was very stubborn in UK. That was a friend to my junior brother. The boy is speaking Afune. Even when he spent 4 years for Nigeria, he can't go school. Did his secondary school in Uselu, Adolo College. And you don't put him in a specific school, whatever. The man was a barrister. Unfortunately, that same family metamu when man kere Norio Vigbine to nega any mababo fit on those days. No way runs in Lagos. You give again to this. I'm talking about issue of 40 years ago, when we were very, very, very young age, you know. So this man, the senior son of this man is a barrister I told you, who studied in UK, died before Edion. Okay, died before Edion. Unfortunately, it's finished. Once you die before your father, automatically the second son of that man becomes the first son. Okay, that's how it happened. But in this case, JBS died. And the first son buried the father, did the ceremony, do everything. All the family were there. They didn't utter a word. But this man that buried his father, so the first son of JBS now, has a wife, not in Nigeria, probably maybe an American, because JBS took his children who were brilliant, who want to go to school, to anywhere in the world. So that one has a son. But this guy, after burying his father for some years, he also died. They did not share the property yet. And the family now say, oh, this small one is even in Nigeria. How can I come and collect all this property as his father? Let's call a spade a spade. As far as the father died before his first son, automatically he is the first son. Because he still assumes the father is alive because the boy is there. And who there on a cable. So don't worry, I will update you on this matter. I will come up, they will send me all the numbers. I will call the chief with respect and ask call Ekodorwe with respect. You know, here with this do he may continue as a do. I have a lot of fans that are not Benin, strictly Benin, you know. Yeah, I wouldn't do alone, strictly on Benin alone. How many people don't understand? Okay. Anyway, you are right what you said because little bit privacy, whatever. Okay, anyway. So, we can continue with the donor. Maybe later on, I'll add English to it. On this aspect of it, let me explain in Bele language. That is first, the first example. The second one, we'll give a lot. I want to give you a example with my own father. My father has 3 wives, no BNA. One was legitimate married. I have to say it. I was born from illegitimate marriage. Let me use that language because it was not a wedding. The only woman my father married as wife, and I was in his house before that separation happened, was Yadisua. Sorry to use that word. It's not a crime. Okay. Then my father impregnated a wife, an ex-wife to the vice governor of Edo State during Ogbemudia. I don't want to go details about that too. Okay. Which is my elder brother. Okay. Outside. This one, in short, they were pregnant almost at the same time. Where the first wife has a daughter already, my sister Adesua. My sister Ike is watching me, she will know what I'm talking about now. Then there were some little, when I was growing up, I had that rumor. People, the family were not wanting to accept the boy that is legitimate, it's not my father, blah, 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 blah. Because the circumstances that was in between the birth of that guy, my elder brother. But I give you a mona. In short, if I place my elder brother picture on this Facebook, and I show you my father's picture, he's the only one. Both character, both everything. He's the only one that have a carbon copy of my father, real carbon copy. We even resemble small, but that guy, I'll be able to. Then the second wife now gave birth after months. This one gave birth. Boy. My elder brother was Austin. May his soul rest in perfect peace. He died in 1983 of a very strong illness. At that time, the world was not like this. If it was this time around, my brother would have not died. He was the only one that have the mind of bringing the whole family together. At that time, he used to come and carry me in Uselu to my father's house. I was told. Okay. What happened was that this guy died before my father. I'm sorry to bring this matter out today. You understand? My father has a land. My father stayed in Ube and did rubber plantation in Ube and cocoa plantation in Ube. Almost 1/4 of Ube land was owned by my grandfather. I'm still saying a more farmer. But today, we squeezed to manage to have not even 100 by 100 are the hungry people. Hungry people in the Ube. I don't even have a land in Ube. So when my brother died, the senior brother was still living. Then even the one with that one senior way with Mons. Because my mother was the last wife. That is my brother, Mamosa Super, who is a staff sergeant in the army. Senior with Mons. I was born in October. He was born in I think I was told he was born in April or May, thereabout. I don't know. Some months above me in age. You know what my father did? When he was alive, they buried my senior brother in the land. In that land, 100 by 100. One side. When I wanted to develop land, my brother took me to the village and I said, this place is too bushy and the land is too small for me to do. I wanted the place to build a house at least minimum of 100 by 100. He told me he would give me 50 by 100 from this land and maintain the one that they buried my brother will be inherited by his own junior brother. Because he now divided the issue. Uro. Then one boy betiti on where the senior one. All the wives my father has have died. The last one died last year. She was the last one to go down. You understand me? Then this issue was going on like that till now. We don't have any problem because no bogiva it has. But if for example, my brother, how do I call it? Okay, my father died. He died before my late brother. Automatically, my late brother is senior son. Nobody will travel with him. But because he died before anything and he didn't even have a child, he to say even that he get picking himself 1 penny no go reach him because he died before his father. So I'm not judging them. I've not heard from these two parties. I only heard from this place here. I'm not here to judge anybody. I'm only here to let you know what is going on. The cases that is pending in the palace, I've said it. Inbox me. Don't call me here. If you have any case involving land that the way was involved and it has delayed the judgment, inbox us. We know where we are filing the paper and speaking with authority on how to revisit the case. I told them yesterday, say made an open inquiry. It's already done already, Who they susu? We must get back our glory. Now all these people for Facebook, for now make some other tribes when you feel look our face before. I mean, or you no that parable. If they send slave, make a company can't deliver message. Even your people don't say nobody come. You might likely not come back because you don't know how to express yourself. You are gone. Our flag na red. with person wey hold court class mozo take cut person neck. Ibinu. Now Yoruba call us that when they contact them because now land the verse man the red. That is why sometimes when I tell you things, go and keep it. And you might be senior to me, you watching me now. But let me tell you one thing. God will bless people that invented the social media. Although some of us are using it uselessly. But very soon, my cleaning no boom. And all of you are doing social media. When you get fans when you get opportunity, they use our people for Italy here. They enrich yourself. We get to a name already. Some people chop 2 million for social media here. Just to help and do something. 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. I know of people who gathered money and buy a car for a social media presenter. Okay, but we don't do that. But at least what we need is to help us to promote our standard. Okay, so that we suffer, we labor, we enjoy it. So let me try to reach out to my sister again. She has finished it, but the time I take start, so you get as a baby. Because believe me honestly, I believe she's eating or observing a prawns. Okay, they don't reply me for there. Please let me. Okay, Moscow call. Sorry, you just call now. Okay, sorry, let me see. Just 2 minutes, please. Bear with me. There's another person wanted to speak to me. Let me see. He called me before. I was online. I didn't get it. 2 minutes, please. I wanted to start to talk to you guys. Hello. Mr. Sadiaye. Yeah, my real life. Oh. Okay, good. Do you know your real life or Akutane or Johnny? Okay. Okay, all right. Yeah. So, we in the church, so I thought as much as that is going to be very, very busy today. So, I came back here to report why that dinner. Any Benin man, when he hide Roland, when he keep Roland for any place, he no can come out. He can't point here. He might on directly. Any Kenny. Noriga soon. Any better ban, we are Borisa. I want Borisa. Any only thing. I want to hear. Thank you, my sister. I want to hear. Oh, I come on, you Bobby. This more Torah. Well, I imagine this is somebody I will not call Dr. Kobadia. Emmanuel in Italian where Dr. Kobadia has been working in CGA for more than 27 years. On I did 10 acres. Farming, school, development to that village. Because he just came and the same thing I attempted to do here in Ravena here when some group of immobiliari, I mean, an agent in Boa, Kiana, we are in Nigeria. And we need the area not Jack a Zemakabo, Bolo, in a lake or something like that. Ina do Gioman or ye, Vasity, Odota Boa, know this place now. Yeah, me, or in a lakeside in a tourist center in a the person went there, took pictures and everything. At the end of the day, negotiation we can bo. Arab Ramo like television, you can't put it a jeep, you can't put it a data stick. What we use in Nigeria is not safe for investment. You hear me say? Maybe by now, I will not be here by now. And I'm not too far from it. I know one day, when we clean up corruption in that place, people will like to invest. Because the reason why we maintain our good name or anything, so that we'll be able to recommend people to people. You understand? Where you can never, anybody that comes and says to play a 419 in anything, you know he's a dead liar. I bought this cup from Metro 1,000, but I bought it somewhere else 950. Yeah, I believe you will. Yeah, no problem. On EOG is bargaining. And that was the same reason I told you that I cannot judge against Nigeria Watch that day. Because it was an agreement reached. Okay, so anybody who is against this issue, who is telling us to spread or fold our inside cloth for inside us, no know wetin e dey talk. Because now he give room to non-native to dey talk to us anyhow. You understand me? That is the reason why that who Mary J. Monkey Face was rapping nonsense. Because while don't watch there are certain things no soon any chief that is behind blockage of truth, any chief that is behind blockade of justice to the Benin's in the palace will be brought to book. It's a question of time. If not dead will be a yikbia. You can't tell any mawa. And I tell ba ma menwa or see kwe or kiwi. You understand? You say that's South Africa. How many times you have? You are correct. Don't worry. Time will come. So I have always been urged my people, make we face these people first. Because traditional council is the place which is giving us respect. Is the place that places Edo in the map, history, internationally. So if there's no cleansing in that place there, then something else will happen. Something else will happen. Time bomb that I told you guys before will soon happen too. If we not put hand, follow, and I thank God the secretary has finally want to do something about it. They should call an emergency meeting in the palace, set up a committee and look into all the chiefs. I mean, I check anywhere. I mean, the sponsor gets I will tell you, I don't want to mention name. Some of our chiefs we are doing this job too. If not, remember me, this man's name is Sekumbara. This man that was banned near Ban Medona. Who was the spokesperson to the Oba? Oh God. Almost about 50 cows are here. Please give him his name. Please, my fans, please. I've forgotten his name now. I heard the title now. It was the PRO to the palace. This man that announced that the election that took place in Benedion and Oyegu. He said, God bless you, my honey bear. He said, palace. This man made this announcement during the election of Isekure, and Lucky Igbinedion, the first attempt Lucky failed as governor of Edo State, that Oyegu become a governor because he was dethroned by Buhari government. Get me now. 8 o'clock news. What is it for? I don't tire. News or more. All right, or you're at market bill. Oh my God, no here. No Gyogi Bane. Now Balco Tori Bay. Azao. Maswene. 140,000 votes. The Young winner, Lucky Benedion, was gathered in Oredo, the Benin speaking area. Maya beat Lucky Benedion for the election. It was an announcement done 8 to 30 in the evening. He resorted to a good solution by 10 in the morning. Everybody knows where he's going to vote in Edo. Eric Benedion lose the election. He got by. If I'm a record by now. Well, I know. I don't say things without proof. You got me now. Egbare koto ama wala do ina waka wenele do wa forget the gbe wa le me gbe art history na we man say uti history at least I know what did happen when the throne of Oba Erediawa came to exist in 1979. I was living in Uselu already. I saw him climbing Amamesemniwa Udin Norebo Junction Uselu. At least I've witnessed Akenzwa. I was alive when Akenzwa died. I was still alive when they brought Erejawa. Now we have the third Obana, and I pray to serve more. Okay, so please let everybody be very cautious. The reason why we are doing this Manawi with Mauna is to put back sanity to our palace, put sanity to Edo name, put sanity. My go doni, I go here and Odoni, my lewebu. Oh my God, I'm from Edo State. if you like you are Richard boy, if you like you are a Benin boy, if you like you are Auchi boy, when you misbehave here, if you misbehave here, that will damage the image of we from Edo. We will give you to the right people. We don't want, because we are complaining now about our politician. I've been saying it here every day that our politicians can be able to be successful in their corruptness because the citizens are more corrupt than the politicians. A politician now was once a citizen like me and you. And if you have the good sense of mind of respect and just for everybody, you will not be corrupt when you get there. But when people clamorous for those who spend money without having interest to find out how he made his money. One we hear Ogbewa, Oyagasingo, Ombujipilaja, why, Oche. No man go out there, one there, why we're 36 years in Europe, nothing to write me about. More time, why, they will bona, and everybody cannot be equal. There are persons who build 4 flats in Nigeria. There are those who build 2 flats in Nigeria. There are those who have a land, they've not developed it. And there are those who cannot even fly to Nigeria for 30 years in Europe. I know some of them. They never visited Nigeria. And there are people here, when you never even get permit to stay, you in America since 40 years. Or my visit. All the way in America. My talk on you. My talk on you talk. I'm here in Nigeria. People carry 14 luggages over pack. Same with 10, same with 6, same with 2. It's all kind of portfolio. Yeah, the 1,000 year all the day 250 in the leg be a day. Why I told all the Coca-Cola no? I'm send the way. Erwe. Who is that? Let me see that. Ewu Mary J. Let me move him out of my platform. Immediately. I will tell you, if I did not talk to you, when you do me anything when I don't like, I'll go massacre you. More than I be fine who they put this red head. More than I be find the person. Let me see the person. I go make gualo. What yell at you? What you want be a quavy? What yell at you? What when you scream, man? When you scream, man. Okay. You see, I'll be saying it here in my platform here. I know the person when if papa get name. Make a repeat for Rangimon and again. Where came I Agualeri me do Agual as in a woman. It's only a man. When I say he was a driver. The only thing those days when they take my father that time, when I did I go here, sister I care you there, you go no. They will say one Nigeria. Then I tell you way the motorway they drive. When they like put a bit. We live in Agokia. My father was living in Agokia before he finally abused his own house in Zaple Road. But I have vowed to make my name, not to rely on my father's name. My mother did the bill Omorui. I know they go that side. I know my father's side. I did build my own legacy for here. By tomorrow, if even up now, hardly anywhere I call the European, where I will carry for saying I meet I eat to daylight when they say they don't know me. It's not easy. Because be patient. But everybody wants to arrive in 2 minutes. You want to arrive in 2 minutes. I hear one person appreciate that they say somebody will work for 35 years, he buy Chanel bag. You will come here yesterday, you say one carry Chanel bag. Huh? But when bolo, no young winner save the Chanel. Fendi bag original is nothing less than 600 euros. But on the media, how when you do? People look at me and say, yeah, if you challenge me, go break leg. You go break leg. Come my end waving. As far as Italy is concerned, I can close eye and make money without selling drug, without doing 419, without even doing my nash case if the other exist. If I close out, I make you on a serious note. But I'm a man that don't want to get old on time. Also in a also. Amen. I come back here. Hello, my brother. Yeah. No problem. No problem. Hello. Okay, no problem, no problem. I'm still on live. I'll get back to you later we are finishing. All right, take care. So, You know why this, my friend, is so interested by this matter? Because he served that man. He's a loyal servant. He worked with that JBS first son. He worked with him. You understand me? So, everything I continue telling everybody here, you see, as I'm here now, many a time, if person call me for 2 o'clock in the midnight, I will get up. My wife will say, "Why you hold on." Even when I don't even drive now, people invite me on some occasion. I will do everything. I have about 2 or 3 occasions today, but this message is very important for me to give to everybody. Otherwise, I will carry somebody I left party to party yesterday. I came back, even though because the car was bad on the road, I would have not be able to come. At least I would have attended another one dedication in the church. But I said, look, I've promised my fans 11. I must be here. So let everybody build your own name. Build your own name. But slow and steady when they talk say you win the race that time. They're not saying make you not work out fast. What they mean is that you should be doing things legitimately. In my life, I've never seen a mother that was a millionaire. Umbe, as a TAB, he was the man. Era was the first Omada. Now free the man, me don't want. Okay, ni me don't want. This guy was in toximetry. Omadara no era. Obana Jemine at that time. You know what I'm saying now? That man was not a millionaire. Oh, why did we over here? He got time of change over there. No Sunday, no buy go. He call. Of course, he said, call it. You know, by my you. Ugbe, yes, Ugbe at here. Tall. I think he's a big boy now. I'm only about 50 years in it. So, what am I trying to say is that it is too much. Enough is enough. Hashtag. Me, even if somebody Nito say the West, I will leave a legacy in my time, even after my time, that people will call that name. My wife was on express. Madam, call it a car. What do I have? Madam, a car cannot be to what you be. A car, you don't know me. I don't drop you by one. I'll be at that way. Oh, yes, market. Everyone will use market on me. I don't want to start saying that. I just want to say thank you to those who know the value of good thing. I can't even count the months. So I don't need it. Your good work will always pay you. It is better to have a good name and not to be a millionaire than to have a bad name and be a millionaire. Every day I tell number one, don't worry. Sanity will come to Edo and it will come to Nigeria in general. Those days when respect were given to elders, but today, when I came to Italy newly that time, did you buy ticket or win the ticket? I would have ticket like we make in the area you go mad there. The women or when I told you only human, it did not go in Nigeria, you know, is saying the facts. And again, I can't use speak Benin to talk to the Edo people. They're using English, okay. My brother, I never told that before. I don't feel the flow. Once they address audience, they flow much like that. Okay, ethic was Edo. Anyway, you are correct. Thank you very much. I'll be learning it. Okay. So, okay, if you do ya, Edo people too, comprises of Isha, don't forget to comprises of Auchi people. They are Edos. Okay, you can't change it. Except you say Bini. Although it Bino correct. So, while any one come no ita we ma doa pe ma hoye mama ma hoye ima oni ma ni ma ya fo ya won to ni emi dani aye wo to ni bugbe emi dani aye wo to ni obugbe. Please, if you don't hear Bini, most people are telling me to use Bini. So please, if you don't hear Bini, inbox me, I will explain myself to you. While I want to respect this issue, Kakabo. Roland Yeti, the home company, Bovedo. No, yeah, man. You go. All of the company, Bo. What about you go to Mula Japan? 10 million, 9 million, 4 million. Oh man, what so self but metamu wena. Or when you only come live. Why are you now? Other Germany, my friend again. All what the year 20 million. Roland, 20 million. A Peter Amami. Boro Peter Matiabi. Amami, 20 million. Igo ni by now, mena. Igo ni mena 20 million now. I will make 80 million in a year. Every order can write on taking. With what I have here, if you give me 20 million naira, now, I will make 80 million in a year. I know what to do to make money. There are things you do, you don't even hold anything. You invest money on it. You don't even know telecommunication give more money than even selling bag of meat. To be a distributor, ito Dangote or Komu Oye, una a distributor. Where I carry, una get agree a standard communication center. There are so many things now online. Nere Nigeria programs. Not on large so on YouTube where you people can even run on me 10,000 euro on social media. But because I don't have the finance to arrive my level, I better stay here for a while till I get the place I'm going. All I say, you only will be away me. The finance there. Yeah, the finance there. Yeah, go back the finance. So if I'm doing anything concerning this social media, I must do it in a classic manner. The one you take care on it because issues before the issues came on board. Go and check it. It was standard. So while we are watching from that today, from that to some weeks now, I come and watch out how Watchdog we're going to come out in a big phone. But not how long we are in live. Because I need to have subscribers about 1,000 before I go on live on YouTube. So I will urge all my fans, if you love me, if you like me, immediately I open the YouTube, I will send it to you guys so that you people will subscribe. When you subscribe, I will send you a video there regularly. Then, before we now start going on a very classic platform. While once again, Emmanuel Mada, no become a millionaire. Wo get gwane. Emmanuel Mada no inigo wo go bima. But bano on na gumeri eva ya ishot ya deva gume una donar yo elo. Uma ifia na na go deva ni. One amigo no ya the pit hole business. One amigo no bo aveko. One amigo no bo Abuja. When you investigate every time it costs me time and money. Why I don't know, but I know what I'm talking about. Why in it? Me my Facebook they do 419 or you tell me my he do where he can't tell me where Mokbalatia do tell Facebook where any tiny support no cost any ego na when I say Facebook in a way 419 matano. Amaya game only where, but yeah, my way. Then what do you have any fufu? I'm down. I want me down. You Facebook. Nia ye, a cream boy, a bolebeya. Yana had the laugh begima. I said like a bone one like it will about stay clear, my brother. Stay clear, my brother. Because Imagu he will saga, but a buddha yenegua. Because even in time against it, where a year will touch tomorrow, if he will hear, it wasn't what he nearly the Latina or Bowella. I was a catula. A year, however, it was not official, Imaru, and it was confirmed. I will tell Severio. Okay, even this Ghana blogger, or later, I was saying the truth. Because Uge Odua, Odua, the next day I don't finish a I'm more corner kosi why my overwa a good many and I stand by it. So my brother Ruwala if not because of some issues in the end, I told you I'll come to Holland. Me, he the Holland, I went to my saga, but he come here with a matano in a lot of time. He more like a dog I am about. He go into the issue, but I have let it die. But please, Yawo carry a do, Igo Nume. Guess walking, oh, one last walking, as I got on a very serious because all of it as making money illegitimately. We have to hear you see, you present. We have to hear you see, you present. Where on there my present Captain Usa? Where on there my present Igbinedion? Where on there my present? Even you say when the Bobiswa, where on there? Because all you at the table, I make you go ni. Cannot on make a corner bowl level make, but all you at the table. It cannot manage on a me point me. What you go? What you go? Everybody, who is it today? It's a chief. Me or personal issues, no. Issue I came out and speak the truth. Or whatever he big with anything. He been yanoka a book it depends on if I okay with a breakfast, if I have with dinner, if I have with summer, it's supper. Okay, so voilà, il vient de venir sur moi. On va rien, il va rien, et on va dire, warrior latin. And do a anybody no again, where any business from today should desist from it, is an enemy. Il y a un autre qui m'a proclamé, but our Karegua, our Huero, and in it, Taiban, a year, oh my dad, a Roland, a God is never, and we never, has never been the family of Ezomo, Mota. Or while at Bezomo Kuna got 20, what my idea, a Beno Bio, a billion of Birano, why the Ladian. We know all those things. Data why our Madakian. I read here, Mother to promote Beranoai, or do so, or say, I don't say, or do you have a buffet? On our amigo, on our amigo, on our amigo, on our amigo. My fellow Nigerians, if you do a Nuzomo, he asks why, or be more evening, maybe while it is a make bound. Because he are jump on, you know what tonight after one. You may look back. I've given you the information. So if I didn't judge anywhere, did I know the implication of bringing his passport at the innocent woman? He cannot have where a passport in here you are going. He might view a Latin. A money map my ever. But I know, never Barry Woni. On my board, one day, a more no. My caught him, do. Oh, a guy, said. About record, oh, movie, record. Oh, do we are at your bus? So, neither after the sorry, and what to live and make it about. You know where he remarked Belgium way, a lucky way, a guardian, a court. Zeve, the secret, announced the 8:30. Matter for he would have do a look. The first time I can make a court. What the money man, the best of Papa. Why yet again? As a part I was soon do long time ago concerning our father Akenzwa. Ne Konoru, we were Konoru, ne the Ekperoa. There was a story which I will not want to say confirm officially. There was a story that was going on that Egegaro Nukuna Wanerima Eweka second no be Akenzwa. There was a time Nana Biene, the village of Ba, outside the Dubani, the same day Nabe Birima Akenzwa. Oh, Woni Kamamoku, not Dion ya, again. I take you call who come Rima, Evara. Let what? Where I built behind the Uni, I be a man Akenzwa. These are stories that I'm telling you. Carry me to any place is a story that most of us have heard this story before. Where do I what I be a more dione, Erima, away to Sumaya, Yakan. Obama like it in a canori, a milk barrel of me, no, Econowa. Any day said Babakota, I gave me Yakan, Erima, even you at Tamuana, Venezuela, Tamuana, or Tino, no, not Johnny. If you Yeah, we go to the educated, learned. Imanu sunu ye on the Ghana. I don't worry, Marie. Egwe. A lawyer no mu diane. Obi yo bara no. Obi yo bara no. Ra office the wire road. One ire fancy go bere or they already between Yoba College. Wire if you say that was his chamber. Okay, call to the ramen. Why on the matter where why when I am wire ya go kwa. Ah? I'm where did I'm where I can get an African. I came here again to stand on my words. You won't believe a story, man, there because I didn't feel like the time of the abbey. You may believe it too. I've told you, I've given you information. When we get where we want to start opening our big office, I will still let my funds know. I don't need money from anybody now. I will do everything myself. No, any Yobo can do it. So that we will upgrade the standard. We will be communicating from one state to another. We will try to, first of all, we create sanity. My insanity here. If you do ya or sound or we want to put sanity in the image of that state. Whether you live in Germany, you live in Austria, you live in Belgium. What we are doing question Nigerian. This one is Benin people or the Edo people. They are very disciplined. No matter what you do for a living to get your money, apply sense and gentleness and respect to it. You can be a pure water seller and have your dignity. Why you can be a big businessman without dignity? Let us speak less, not be loud. Like make a van. I have been attention. I will be sano. I have been attention. I will be a do. I have been attention. I will be a chino. Be a Edo State. Enough is enough. Hashtag. Wala wife na yekigbe. Elena, ime amwe sufove. So for those of you who cannot speak here or write anything here, inbox me. You will get more fat. If you want us to assist you, inbox me. I will forward all your messages to the above and reliable authority. Ciao, ciao.
Now we don't hear from Pahitru. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.